সংলাপ টিভি, আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।
Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. The COVID-19, that means coronavirus, had been affected the whole world, including our Bangladesh. In this time, you will miss your school a lot, and you will miss your friends, your teacher also. I will miss you also. But my dear friends, you have to study well. So at first you will stay at home, you will stay safe, and after that you will continue your study. So our authority has launched online class for you. So everybody, you will take your khata, book and pencil and pen, and you will stay in front of the TV and you will watch my class. Okay, so I welcome to you to my class. Before starting my class, at first I introduce myself. I am Kajol Rani Rai, head teacher of Mohabbatpur Government Primary School, Noakhali Shodor, Noakhali. Okay, dear students, again welcome to you. So everybody please look at the screen. I welcome to you to my class. And it is presented by me, Kajol Rani Rai, head teacher, Mohabbatpur Government Primary School, Shodor, Noakhali. And today's I will take a class about class 3, subject English, unit 23, lesson 1 to 3, title What Do They Do? Okay, dear students, I think that all of you love to watch cartoon. So, please everybody watch the cartoon. I think dear little learners, just now you have watched the cartoon. Do you know what is the cartoon about? It's your favorite cartoon show, Tom and Jerry. Okay? Yes, you are right. You guess it. And in this cartoon, Tom and Jerry, here Tom is a cat and Jerry is a rat. So what are they doing in this cartoon? In this cartoon, they are playing. They are running one after another. So from this cartoon we can say that our today's topic is what do they do? That means what do they do? What a cat do in his life? What is the activity of a cat? Okay, now please everybody look at the screen. What can you see? I think it is a familiar picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes. What is it? It's a cat. ছবিতে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো? একটি বিড়ালের ছবি. And that time the cat says to herself that I am a cat. The cat says it. I am a cat. Okay. And now, please again look at the screen. What is the time? Is it? Please gaze. Yes, you are right. It's a time of the early in the morning. The sun is rising. When the sun is rising, যখন সূর্য উঠে, that times we get up from bed. তখন আমরা ঘুম থেকে উঠি। But please look at the picture. What is the cat doing? বিড়াল কি করছে? The cat is sleeping. So, in the morning, the cat is lazy and slow. She gets up late. So the cat says to herself, in the morning, I am lazy and slow. In the morning, it is the picture of the morning. And in this morning, when everyone get up, যখন সবাই ঘুম থেকে উঠে, that times the cat is sleeping. বিড়ালটি ঘুম যাচ্ছে। So, in the morning, I am lazy and slow. Okay. And please, have a look to another picture. What is it? The cat is also sleeping. She is sleeping and sleeping. So, what does the picture mean? Do you guess? Yes, she gets up late. And the cat also says that I get up late. So in the morning, the cat gets up late. Okay. There is another picture for you. What is it? Do you guess? Have you guessed? It is a picture of a rat. And the cat catches the rat. The cat is very much fond of rat. She always catches the rat. And the cat says that I catch rats. So what does she catch? She catches rats. The cat catches rats. And the cat says that I catch rats. Okay. Please have a look another picture. What can you see? In this picture, there is a beautiful cat. Is it beautiful? Is it clean? Is it dirty? No. The cat looks very smart. She's tip-top. So the cat says, I am a clean animal. I am a clean animal. Every time she washes herself. Look at the screen, please. The cat is washes herself by her jibba, by her tongue. She washes herself. Every time she washes her skin, her body. So she washes herself every day. And she can say, I wash myself every day. I wash myself every day. Okay? So from these topics, we can say that the cat is a clean animal. She washes herself every day and she also catches rats. And in the afternoon, she is lazy. সকালবেলা সে থাকে অলস প্রকৃতির এবং মন্থর, বাট ইন দ্য আফটারনুন শি ইজ অ্যাক্টিভ। কিন্তু বিকেলবেলা সে থাকে অনেক বেশি চটপটে, স্বতঃস্ফূর্ত। ওকে, নাও প্লিজ লুক এট দ্য ওয়ার্ড। দ্য ওয়ার্ড ইজ স্লো। স্লো, প্লিজ রিপিট আফটার মি। স্লো, স্লো, SLOW, স্লো। স্লো মানে ধীর। স্লো অর্থ ধীর স্থির। মুভিং অ্যাট এ লো স্পিড। When anyone moves himself or herself with a low speed, that is means slow. So what the word? Slow. Slow means moving at a low speed. Slow means dhir, sthir. Okay. Look at another word. Late. Late মানে দেরি করা। Behind time, সময়ের পিছনে। সময়ের কাজ সময়ে না করে পরে করা। That means late. Early in the morning, the cat gets up late. সে সকালবেলা ঘুম থেকে উঠে না, দেরি করে ঘুম থেকে উঠে। সো লেট মিন্স বিহাইন্ড টাইম। And another word, quick, doing work fast. Quick, দ্রুত, স্বতঃস্ফূর্ত, খুব ফাস্টলি যখন কোনো কাজ করা হয় সেটাকে আমরা বলি কুইক, ডুইং ওয়ার্ক ফাস্ট। And the another word is lazy. Lazy means অলস, unwilling to work or use energy, যে কাজ করতে চায় না, শক্তি খরচ করতে চায় না। That means she is lazy. In the above context we can see that the cat is lazy. এই গল্পে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি বিড়াল, এই বিড়ালটি একটু লেজি প্রকৃতি, দ্যাট মিন্স অলস, lazy. And there is another word, active. In the afternoon the cat is active. Active means কর্মতৎপর, কর্মঠ, স্বতঃস্ফূর্ত, তৎপর। Engaged in work. Who engaged in work? That means he is active. So please again repeat after me. Lazy, lazy, slow, slow, late, late, quick, quick, and active, active, active. Please repeat after me. Lazy. Yes, you are right. You cooperate with me. Slow, late, quick, and active. Okay? Is it clear? Have you understood all the word? Okay, thank you, my little learners. Now, please open your book, Unit 23. Please, everybody, open your book at Unit 23 and page at 46. Please, I am reading, I am going to read, and please you follow me. I am reading from the screen. At first you listen. After some time you will read with me. প্রথমে তোমরা শুনো, আমি পড়ছি, তারপরে তোমরা আমার সাথে পড়বে। I am a cat. In the morning I am lazy and slow. I get up late. In the afternoon I am active. I catch rats. I am quick. I am a clean animal. I wash myself every day. Is it clear? Now again I am going to read. Please repeat after me, moving your fingers through the line. ওই শব্দের নিচে, লাইনের নিচে আঙ্গুল রেখে আমার সাথে সাথে পড়ো। I am a cat. In the morning I am lazy and slow. I get up late. In the afternoon I am active. I catch rats. I am quick. I am a clean animal. I wash myself every day. Is it clear? Okay, so you have only 2 minutes. You will read it, and after you reading, again I will give you some activity. You will do it. Okay, so please start reading within yourself. তোমরা নিজেরা নিজেরা দুইবার পড়ো। Okay, have you done? Now, dear students, I am going to start a game with you. Do you feel interest to play the game? So, please look at the screen. Here are 5 words. Which are those words? শব্দগুলো কি কি আমি বলছি শুনো। Active, lazy, slow, late, clean. Please repeat after me. Active, active, lazy, lazy, slow, slow, late, late, clean, clean. Okay? Have you finished? Now please draw a diagram like me. আমার মতো করে একটা ঘর আঁকো। And now you divide into 2 parts. After that you also divide it into 4 parts, and then one box is cross out. Dear students, please draw a diagram. আমার মতো করে একটা ডায়াগ্রাম আঁকো এবং এটাকে 4 ভাগে ভাগ করো, one box কে cross out করো. So how many boxes are there? আর কয়টি বক্স আছে? 1, 2 and 3. But here are how many words? 5 words. So you will fill the boxes with your words. আমি বাংলায় বলছি, 5টা শব্দ আছে, ঘর আছে 3টা, এখান থেকে একটা বক্সের জন্য একটা তোমার ইচ্ছা মতো একটা করে শব্দ নিয়ে 3 ঘরে 3টি শব্দ লিখো. You have only 1 minute, please. Are you ready? Have you finished your writing? Okay, well done, my friend. Excellent. Now I am going to tell. আমি এখন শব্দগুলো বলছি. If my word is matched with your box, that times you put tick mark. Suppose মনে করো তুমি এখানে লিখেছো active, and I also say active, that times you put tick mark at the top of the word. Okay? And when I am reading, I am telling the word. If the word is matched with your khata and you fill up all the words at a time, that times you will say yes, bingo. Okay? যখন আমি শব্দগুলো বলবো এবং 3টা শব্দই তোমার 3 ঘরে আমার বলার সাথে মিলে যাবে, that times you can say, তখন তোমরা বলবে যে yes, bingo. Now I am going to tell. Active, slow, clean, late. Okay, you have done. You have matched with your khata, and it is the name of the game, bingo game. এই খেলাটির নাম হচ্ছে bingo game. Have you done? Have you enjoyed the game? Okay, thank you. Now dear learners, I am going to another activity. Write true or false. There is a given statement. এখানে লাইনগুলো দেওয়া আছে. You will read, and after that you will decide what is true and what is false. Write true or false. The cat gets up early in the morning. The cat is lazy in the morning. The cat washes rats. The cat is a clean animal. The cat is active in the afternoon. Here are 5 statements, and you will write against the statements true or false. এই লাইনগুলো পড়ে যদি সঠিক মনে হয়, then you will write true. যদি ভুল মনে হয়, then you will write false. ঠিক হলে true, ভুল হলে false. So again we look at the statements. The cat gets up early in the morning. Is it true? No, the cat gets up late. So it is false. Yes, you are right, it is false. The cat is lazy in the morning. What is your idea? The cat is lazy? Yes. So it is true. The cat washes rats. বিড়াল ইঁদুরকে পরিষ্কার করে. Is it true? No, the cat catches rats. So it is false. The cat is a clean animal. Is it right? Yes, you are right. It is also true. Thank you, my boy. The cat is active in the afternoon. Is the cat active in the afternoon? Please you think. তোমাদের বই কি বলছে? The cat is active in the afternoon? Yes, you are right. The cat is active in the afternoon. So this statement is obviously true. এটা অবশ্যই সঠিক. So have you done? Please think yourself. Have you any question, please? Okay. So from the statement, from the context, আমরা জানলাম the cat gets up early in the morning, it is false. The cat is lazy in the morning, it is true. The cat washes shreds, it is false. The cat is a clean animal, it is true. The cat is active in the afternoon, it is also true. So please look. Another activity. Answer the following questions. Please look at the screen very sincerely. And again you will read the stanza. And after the stanza you will take help. ওই প্যাসেজটি পড়ে তোমরা সেখান থেকে উত্তর নেওয়ার জন্য সাহায্য নিতে পারো। When does the cat get up? কখন বিড়াল ঘুম থেকে ওঠে? What does the cat catch? বিড়াল কি ধরে? What type of animal is cat? বিড়াল কি ধরনের প্রাণী? How does the cat wash himself? বিড়াল কিভাবে নিজেকে পরিষ্কার করে? Now we can look at the answer of these questions. When does the cat get up? Yes, you know it very clearly. Please you match the answer of mine. আমার উত্তরের সাথে তোমার উত্তরকে মিলাও। The cat gets up late. Okay, is it clear? What does the cat catch? You know it very well. The cat catches rat. Is it similar to you? তোমাদের সাথে কি মিলে যাচ্ছে? You are intelligent, so I think it is similar to you. What type of animal is cat? The cat is a clean animal. She never takes any dirty things. She always tip-top, smart. So the cat is a clean animal. And the last one is, how does the cat wash himself? The cat washes himself every day. Okay? So this is the answer of the following questions. Okay, my dear students, you have done well. You have done a lot about a cat. Have you any pet cat in your house? Have you any pet animal? তোমাদের বাড়িতে কি তোমাদের নিজেদের কোনো পোষা প্রাণী আছে? I think everybody you like it. So the last activity for you, it's homework. Write 5 sentences about your pet animal. If you have a pet animal, is it dog or cat or any parrot or anything, that times you will write 5 sentences about your pet animal. Okay? Dear students, you have learned a lot about the cat. And now you will have a homework and you will do it after your class. So, is it clear about the cat? Dear students, in this coronavirus pandemic situation, please you will stay yourself at home, and when if gets any emergency, that means when you go out, that times you use mask, and when you again come out to your house, that times you wash your hands. যখন বাড়ি থেকে বের হবে তখন মাস্ক ব্যবহার করবে, আবার যখন ঘরে ফিরে আসবে that times you wash yourself with hand sanitizer or soap. তখন হ্যান্ড স্যানিটাইজার বা সাবান দিয়ে তোমার নিজেকে পরিষ্কার করবে। Until 20 seconds please, মনে রাখবে। Okay, so I think, I expect, I hope we shall overcome this situation. একদিন নিশ্চয়ই আমরা এই সিচুয়েশনটাকে অতিক্রম করতে পারবো। একদিন নিশ্চয় আমাদের সে সুদিন আসবে, and we will go back to our school and we will teach face to face. So see you again, and goodbye everybody. Goodbye for your cooperation. See you again next time, next class. Till then, stay safe, stay well. Goodbye, goodbye.
সংলাপ টিভি, আজ এবং আগামীর ভাবনা।